Cars get dirty fast. Parking lots, bird droppings, road grime, annoying and time-consuming. Today, I tested 5 top-rated waterless car wash sprays and ceramic detailers at home and on the road. I ordered these by value, protection, and real-world results, from budget-friendly quick cleans to pro-grade ceramic and graphene options. There's one here for every budget, and one that's my overall pick. First up, the Maxloone 20-ounce car spray with Triphene. This is the heavy-duty option for anyone who wants serious protection. Its secret is the Triphene formula. It creates an incredibly hydrophobic barrier that makes water and dirt just bead up and roll right off. They claim it can even handle extreme heat up to 600 degrees, which is perfect for your wheels or exhaust tips. The bottle is a generous 20 ounces, and it's a concentrate. You can dilute it 50-50 to double your coverage, which makes it a great value. The only trade-off is that with this much power, you might want to be a bit more precise during application, but you gain a ceramic-like coating that lasts. This one is perfect for the enthusiast who wants max protection and doesn't mind a product that does one job incredibly well. At number 2, we have the Flowgenics Grand Finale Waterless Car Wash Spray. This is a fantastic all-rounder that comes in a complete kit. It includes 2 premium microfiber towels right in the box, which is a really nice touch. Flowgenics says their Serum Attack formula is 20 times stronger than leading waxes. It's designed to clean, shine, and protect in one step, leaving a hydrophobic coating that can last up to 6 months. It's super easy to use, just spray on and wipe off. The scent is unscented, which is great if you're sensitive to smells. It's marketed heavily for motorcycles, but works beautifully on any vehicle. This kit is ideal for anyone who wants a pro-level result straight out of the box, with no need to buy separate towels. It's convenient, effective, and a great place to start. Coming in at number 3 is a legend, Maguiars Ultimate Waterless Wash and Wax. You can't talk car care without mentioning Maguiars. This is the go-to for trusted, reliable performance. Their 2-in-1 formula is brilliant. It cleans safely with high lubricity to prevent scratches, and it leaves behind a synthetic wax barrier for lasting shine and protection. The bottle is 26 ounces, giving you plenty of product. It's safe on virtually every exterior surface, paint, glass, chrome, you name it. The brand has over a century of experience, and it shows. The product just works consistently. It might not have the exotic nano ceramic labels of newer brands, but it's a workhorse. This is the best pick for someone who wants a no-nonsense, dependable product from a name they know and trust. Our number 4 pick, and my choice for best overall kit, is the Aero Cosmetics Wash Wax All 144-ounce kit. This is insane value and professional-grade quality. This isn't just car stuff. This is aircraft-grade technology used on Air Force One. The kit has everything: a full-gallon refill, a 16-ounce spray bottle, 4 microfiber towels, and a bug scrubber. You can use it as a waterless wash or as a wax-as-you-dry product after a rinse. It's water-based, ammonia-free, and safe on every surface inside and out. The UV protective coating it leaves is exceptional. With this much product, you're set for over a dozen full car cleanings. The only note is that it's a wax, not a polish, so it protects and enhances your current shine, but won't remove old oxidation. For sheer volume, versatility, and proven performance, this kit is worth every penny. It's perfect for the person who details multiple vehicles or just never wants to run out of supplies. Finally, for the tech-obsessed, we have the Magic Shield Graphene Ceramic Spray Coating. This product is all about modern chemistry. Graphene is the latest buzzword for a reason. It's known for being incredibly strong and durable. This spray promises to create a tough nano barrier against UV rays, scratches, and oxidation. The application is the standard spray and wipe, and it delivers a deep, wet-look gloss that really makes colors pop. It's also highly hydrophobic and multi-surface. If you love having the latest and greatest in protective technology, this is your pick. It feels like a professional ceramic coating in a bottle. It's best for the early adopter who wants that cutting-edge formula and a stunning, long-lasting, glossy finish. So there you have it, the top 5 ways to ditch the hose and keep your car shining. From the heavy-duty Maxloone to the massive Aero Cosmetics kit, there's an option for every need and budget. Ready to make your wash routine a 5-minute miracle? Check all the links for the best prices in the description below. Once you try one, you will never go back to the bucket.